Ahoy and welcome to Microwave Me, mateys. Yar har har. Your captain is going to be cooking a lemon and a lime to make some instant Sprite in a microwave. The microwave that's going to be doing it, her name is Demi. And so what am I going to do? Put them into the microwave. Lemon, lime. Now you may be thinking, oh, you already did citrus fruits. No, I did orange and lemon. Lemon and lime's a little bit different. So let's prepare to get microwaving. Okay, let's combine our two favorite lemon lime drinks. I know about Sierra Mist, but old people like me, it's just Sprite and 7-Up. So your captain is going to combine the two and give you 2 minutes 70 seconds. 2 because it looks sort of like a backwards. S for Sprite, 7, 0 for 7-Up. Let's begin. That's a strangely pleasant, fruity smell. Your captain certainly approves of this microwaving. Look at that. Your lemon, your lime are warmed up. Perfect for those long nights at sea. And it can help you fight scurvy. Yar har. Check that out. Your captain says, good idea. Then again, most produce items turn out to be good ideas.